Hello everyone, it's me John Michael, and we are doing a first, this is actually the first episode of my Minecraft Let's Play. So yeah, I'll show you that I haven't done anything on this world. It would just scroll down, really laggy, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, okay, so I'll just go here. So laggy. Just cut down some trees. Oh my god. Yeah, so just cut down these trees here. Let me just finish this. Oh my god. Does it never end? You gotta be kidding me. Okay, now let's get back up there. Let's break these trees. Finally. This is the tallest tree. Finally, we're done. And now we can make ourselves a crafting table. And make some sticks and an axe. So I can just chop some more trees down. It's not one of those long trees. I hate those trees. Okay, yeah, it's not one of those. And so now we'll just make some more planks. We should be good for now. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over there. Oh my god. I'm actually having a pretty fun time right now. Even though I'm not even really doing anything. Well, the beginning of a Let's Play is always boring. Once you get to the good stuff, you get some of this. I don't like Icelands. Hate them. There. Let's get some more wood. Oh, it's... Oh my god. Here we go. So what I was thinking that we can do today is after we're done cutting down some trees, because that's the main thing that you have to do that's the first thing that you do. Okay, that was just really glitchy for a second. Okay, it's just one more tree down. Okay, there we go. And now we're gonna get our crafting table in our hands. And you know what? Let's make this less laggy. I had that's much better. That's much better. Oh, that's good. Oh, cool, right in front of my face, too. Oops, didn't get that. Just get, like, make it, yeah, that should be good. Oh, okay. I thought that was better. Let's, now we need more sticks. Need to get this big axe out. Stop chopping. Yeah, we're doing fine. That's a good start. Yeah, I'm gonna go get this coal right here. Oops. I like stone biomes. They're my favorite. Good, good, good. Ooh, yay, more coal. I like coal. We can melt some stuff. I'll get you in a couple minutes. Oh, beep beep. Why am I always so quiet? I always get so hooked to my games. No, I can't get it! What if we did this? If we get some dirt out, I'm usually playing on my tablet. And with them, we're just gonna chop. Why not? Mine. All my life I've been waiting for just the people to say one day. I like that song. One day, you look it up. Okay, so after we just it's turning night. Now let's get down from here. Any more coal? Yeah, more coal. I like coal. Yeah, you wanna know what would be useful though? We had some iron right in the middle. What the heck? Oh, I swear to God, there's something just pushing me. It always happens to me. And then we can make some torches with all this coal. Okay, now we should be good for a little bit. Oh wait, no, it's not a let's play without the monsters on. Duh. Yeah, now the monster's on. And now I'm scared. I don't like monsters right now. I want to curl up with a ball. Leave me alone. Okay, nothing's here. I'm gonna put some torches down. Now I gotta go make some more sticks. Okay. I'll just put that there. Now I need to make a little shelter. Oh, I bet you we have enough sheep to kill. Oh, I swear to God. Yeah, I need to get a sword. I'm making a sword. you. I gotta kill you. Thank you for your meat. Your tasty, tasty meat. I'm gonna go kill this zombie over here. Oh god, a creeper. Aww. Okay, we need to build ourselves a shelter. Just to survive the night. What was that? Okay, don't talk, Nick. Sorry, that was my brother. This is just for tonight. I do not want to be eaten by zombies. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I guess that's okay. All we need is now some light in here. Let's make some more planks. Okay. Okay. So, now okay, yeah. So I think that'll wrap it up for this episode. And if you like this video, I will be doing more in the future. And yeah. So leave a like in the comment if you liked it. And have a nice day. Bye. Okay. Just gotta stop the recording.